I want to have a real conversation with you today. If you've been trying to break into affiliate marketing but feel like you're not making any progress, you're not alone. You've probably tried it all, flashy courses, hyped programs, and promises that don't deliver. And at some point you've thought, maybe this just doesn't work for me. Here's the truth. It's not you. The problem is the tactics you've been sold. They're scattered, incomplete, and often from people who have no idea what it's like to start from scratch. What I'm about to share isn't another shortcut or trendy hack. It's the exact system I built after years of trial, error, and frustration. It's the system that helped me turn failures into success. And most importantly, it's designed with people like you in mind. My origin story. A few years ago, I was in your shoes, stuck, overwhelmed, and honestly pretty defeated. I was working long hours, investing in one program after another, and constantly falling for promises from so-called gurus. I remember sitting in my car after yet another failed venture, staring at my bank account. I'd poured so much time, energy, and money into strategies that left me more confused and broke. That was my lowest point. But here's what changed everything. I stopped chasing shiny objects, stopped trying to bandage broken systems, and finally took time to figure out what actually works. I started small. I tested, failed, adjusted, and kept going. Slowly, those hard-earned lessons turned into real wins. And that's when I made a promise to create a clear path for others like me. That path became what you now know as the CashWave system. Every lesson, every mistake, every win, it's all here to save you years of trial and error. Why CashWave works. A lot of programs out there feel like they've been pieced together with no real support or strategy. That's why most don't work. CashWave is different. It's a system rooted in simplicity, focus, and action. Every tool, every process, every resource has been tested and proven. Toolkit 7, your partner stack, isn't just a random set of tools. It's a step-by-step solution designed to help you succeed no matter where you're starting from. Whether you need to build confidence, create automation, or scale to 6 figures, it's all here. You don't need to waste years figuring it all out. With Toolkit 7, you get the roadmap immediately. Testimonials from the community. You're not in this alone. Thousands of people just like you have joined the CashWave community and are already seeing results. Take Marissa from Tampa. She said, I trusted Toolkit 7 and started with Freedom Breakthrough. Within 3 weeks, I saw my first commission. It felt like everything finally clicked. Derek shared, creating faceless videos with Tube Mastery unlocked my potential and completely changed my affiliate game. These stories might sound like highlights, but they're real, and they're happening every day inside our community. Endorsements from program creators. Even Matt Parr, creator of Tube Mastery, said this about CashWave. Craig promotes what he actually uses. That's why his subscribers win. Some of our top students come directly from the CashWave crew. That's proof you can trust. This isn't just another idea. It's a system being used and validated by experts in the affiliate world. Why Toolkit 7 is your next step. If you've been following this series, you know I believe in making things clear and achievable. That's why Toolkit 7 is the next step for action takers. Inside Toolkit 7, you'll find Freedom Breakthrough, Millionaire Partner System, HBA, Tube Mastery, and even Intelligent Crypto VIP. These aren't just tools I promote. They're the exact stack I use in my business every day. More than just tools. When you join our community through these links, you unlock exclusive bonuses you won't find elsewhere. Step-by-step guides, pre-built templates, and proven strategies all set you up for success. Now it's your turn. 1. Drop A in the comments to show you're ready to start. 2. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another strategy. 3. Whitelist CashWave emails for exclusive updates and bonuses. Remember, success isn't about knowing everything. It's about doing the right things in the right way. With Toolkit 7, you'll have everything you need to start winning today.